Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your balance on MT5 on PC. It's super quick and super simple, so let's dive right into it. First, open up your MetaTrader 5 on your PC and make sure you're logged into your trading account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to the top menu and click on View. Then from the drop down, you want to click on Toolbox, this one. This step is super important because the Toolbox panel is where your account details are displayed. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You should see the toolbox appear, and inside the toolbox, make sure you're on the trade tab. The first one, this one. Right there, you'll see your balance along with other details like your equity and free margin. That's it. No complicated steps, no extra menus, just view, toolbox, and trade. That's all you need to quickly check your balance on MT5 for PC. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.